Next topic is the deputy commissioner. At the district level, there is a system of dual control of the police force. So, at a district level, there is a system of dual control of the police force. That means dual. Dual means two. Two type of control system is there at a district level. A deputy commissioner is in charge of administration in a district. So, a deputy commissioner, he or she is in charge of to look after the district. He or she also act as a district magistrate and a district collector. So not only he or she is a deputy commissioner of a district, but also he or she will act as a district magistrate and a district collector. So it is a dual control, that is dual role of a police force at a district level. His or her function includes maintaining law and order. So they have to maintain law and order in a district, providing civic amenities to citizens and supervising development. So they will provide different types of basic facilities to the citizens. That means to maintain the orders and the rules and regulation, and even they will look after the different types of needs and requirement so that they can develop any district. Collection of revenue, that means how many income tax are being collected in a particular state. It is all the functions of the deputy commissioner. Providing relief work during emergency situations. So it is a duty of the deputy commissioner to provide different types of reliefs facilities during an emergency situation, that is for example emergency situation that is in an accident or flood, earthquake and so on. Overseeing panchayati raj activities. So it is a duty of the deputy commissioner to look after whether the panchayati raj communities, they are doing their work in a better way or not. The Police Act place the police force in a district under the charge of the district superintendent of police, but subject to the general control and direction of the district magistrate. So according to the Police Act, though the places especially in a district, they are in the charge of the district superintendent, but overall the main power is in the hand of the district magistrate. That means after the permission of the district magistrate, the district superintendent of police will work. Thus, the district magistrate has some important judicial function and also oversees the functioning of the police force. So, thus, we can say that district magistrate, they have a special important judicial functions, and also they will look after the functioning. That means whether the police, they are doing their work in any district or not. The police station. The police station is the basic and the most important units of public administration. So police station is a place where the police, they do their most of the important work, and with the help of the police station they carry on their work. We go to a police station when there is a disruption of law and order. So we go to a police station if we find any problem, or if we find out that somebody is not doing the work properly and they are doing illegal work. We go to the police station. The police is responsible for preventing criminal incidents and protection of life and property of the citizen. So it is a duty of the police to prevent criminal incident in any area and to protect the life and property of the citizen. The police is also engaged in welfare activities such as providing help to the elderly, women, children and the differently abled people. So it is a duty of the police to look after whether the or you can say to provide different types of facilities to improve the you can say or you can say to help the elder people, to women, children and the differently abled person. That means who cannot work, who cannot or who need wheelchair. Okay, so to provide help to these people. In cities, an inspector of police is generally in charge of a police station. So in a cities, an inspector is appointed to look after a police station. In village, a police station is under the charge of station house officer. So in the cities, police station is under the charge of an inspector, and in the village area it is in the charge of the station house officer, that is SHO. Other police officers is the police in the police stations are assistant inspector, head constable and constable. So There are other members who are known as the assistant inspector, head constable, and constable. The area under a police station is divided into a number of beats which are assigned to a constable for patrolling and inspection. So even the areas which are under a police station, they are divided into different types of beats, that means small areas, and in that small areas different types of constables are appointed who will go after in this area to see whether all the situations are under control or not, and if there is any problem, the constable will look after it, and they will inform to the inspector, especially in the cities and in this village station house officer. So this is the police station which is located in New Delhi.